Is your online reputation feeling the heat? And are you tempted to take shortcuts to boost those Google reviews? Before you even think about creating multiple Gmail accounts to post reviews, let's hit pause and talk about playing by the rules. Because gaming the system can seriously backfire and damage your business. In the long run, Google's policies are very clear that reviews should be authentic and reflect genuine experiences. Now, I'm showing the Gmail Sign Up page because you'll technically need a Gmail account. To leave a review on Google, you'll see a Create Account option. Click it. You'll then have to enter your first name, last name, desired username, and a strong password. Make sure to carefully confirm your password. Pay close attention to the phone number and recovery email address fields. Google might require phone verification, which prevents creating multiple accounts without unique numbers. Also note that Google has algorithms that detect patterns of suspicious activity, such as multiple accounts created from the same IP address or device. Instead of risking penalties and losing customer trust with fake reviews, focus on providing excellent service and actively encouraging your satisfied customers to share their real experiences. Building a solid reputation takes time, but it's the only way to build genuine trust with customers. Remember, honesty always wins.